Hello guys, I guess we're live, right? Today we're going to continue to learn HSK 1. Okay, first let's review how to say different months in Chinese, which is very easy. So basically, we just need to say this word. Can you say this word, which is 月? Yeah, if you say this character looks like 月, right? So 月. Okay, 月 means moon. Yeah, and it also means months. So when Chinese people say 1月, basically it means first month. So that is January. And then we just say 2月. Yeah, 2 means two, second year, second month. So 2月. And then 3月, 3月, 4月, 5月, 6月, 7月, 8月, 9月, 10月, 11月, 12月. Is it easy to say month in Chinese? Okay, one more time. Let's say it together. 1月, 2月, 3月, 4月, 5月, 6月, 7月, 8月, 9月, 10月, 11月, 12月. Okay, good. 很好. Now let's continue to say days of week, which is also very simple in Chinese. How to say it? Basically, we need to say one word, which is 星期. Yeah, okay, 星期. Here you can say this word, 星期. And then you put number after this word. For example, 星期一. Okay, first day of a week. That is Monday. And then you can say 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期日, or 星期天. Here, 日, you can say, yeah, this character 日, it's just like the sun. Basically means sun. Another word, 天, means sky. So for Sunday, you can say 星期日. You can also say 星期天. 星期日 is a formal way, and 星期天 is informal way. Excellent. Okay, now let's say days of week together. Follow me. Yeah, just pay attention to the tones. 星期一, first tone. Yeah, which is the highest pitch for each character of this syllable. 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期日, 星期天. Great, 很好. Okay, how about we first say the number in front of each day of week, and then let's say it in a fun way. Okay, now let's say 一, 星期一, 二, 星期二, 三, 星期三, 四, 星期四, 五, 星期五, 六, 星期六, 七, 星期天. Great, 很好. Okay, now you can say 12 months. and 7 days in Chinese, which is amazing. Great. Now let's continue to answer these questions. Okay. 一，今天几月几号？星期几 ？OK， 今天 today 几 ？Yeah, we learn this word. 几月 ？OK, which month? 几号 ？Which date? 星期几 ？Okay, which day of the week? Okay, today is April 25th, Saturday. So how to answer it? Very easy, because in Chinese, the question and answer, they follow the same order. So we just follow the same order. Let's answer it. 今天几月? Okay, first answer this question. To answer, we just say 今天4月, right? Here you just change this word 几. Yeah, you change it to 4. Okay, change it to 4. Yeah, 4. 今天4. Yeah, right, 4 here. Yeah, I just write number 4 here. You know the pinyin, right? 4. 今天4月. And 今天几号? 25. Okay, you know how to write, how to say number 25, right? 25. 今天25. 今天 yeah, make it smaller. 今天25. How? Yeah. So how here is optional if you answer this question, but for ask this question, it is important to put here. Okay, last question. 星期几? Okay, 星期六. Yeah, 六. You know 六, right? So very easy. You can say ask question, answer question, same order. Okay, now let's say 明天. Okay, here 明天. Okay, tomorrow. 明天几月几号星期几 Okay, we already answered today's question. We just copy and change a little bit, and then we can get answer about tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, 26. Yeah, others. Yeah, month for month the same. Okay, so let's answer this question together. 明天4月26号星期天 Great, 很好。Now let's say 昨天 yesterday 昨天几月几号星期几 Okay, 昨天4月24号星期四很好。Next question. 明天你去哪儿做什么？明天你去哪儿做什么 Okay, now let's say the question. 明天 tomorrow. 你去哪儿？去 go. Yeah, 去哪儿 go where? 做什么 do what? 明天你去哪儿？做什么？ Tomorrow you go where, do what? Here you can say, even we talk about future tense, we don't have to change anything about the verb. Okay, here 去 is a verb here, right? 去 that is a verb. Okay, 去 and then 去哪儿 yeah, go where. And 做 is also a verb, but you don't have to change anything, right? Everything keep the same. Okay, 明天你去哪儿做什么? So if you want to answer this question, same, you just keep the verb, the same original form. No need to change anything about the verb. Okay, let's answer the question. Suppose I'm going to go to library to read book. Okay, so how to answer it? 明天我去图书馆看书。明天我去图书馆看书。Okay, what is your answer? Yeah, do you have an answer for this question? 明天我去图书馆看书。So, what is your plan tomorrow? Are you planning to go somewhere? 明天你去哪儿做什么？明天你去哪儿做什么？ Okay, suppose you are going to go to park and have picnic. Okay, how to say it? 明天我去公园野餐。Okay, picnic 野餐。Yeah, let me know what you want to do. Okay, yeah, for your plan tomorrow. Okay, now let's talk about Sunday. Okay, Sunday 星期日 or 星期天。Okay, 星期日星期天。But tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, actually for me the same. Because for me today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Okay. 你去哪儿做什么？星期日你去哪儿做什么？ Okay, when we talk, it's better to say 星期天 is easier to pronounce, right? Yeah, 星期天. But when we write, yeah, if it's in a formal situation, it's better to say 星期日. Yeah, when you write a letter, you write an essay, it's better to say 星期日. But when you talk to another person, you just say 星期天. So easy to pronounce. Okay, 星期日你去哪儿做什么？ Okay, 星期日. Okay, yeah, I can have the same question, for example. Yeah, I'm going to go to library to read book. So 星期日我去图书馆看书。星期日我去图书馆看书。Okay, Sunday I will go to library to read book. 去图书馆看书。Yeah, read book. 去公园野餐。Go to park to have picnic. 野餐 picnic. Yeah, so you can see when we talk about future tense, even there are two verbs. Yes, these two verbs. You can just say it naturally and you don't have to change anything. Yeah. So 去哪儿 ？OK， 去公园，去图书馆，做什么？看书，野餐 ，right? So straightforward. Okay, let's continue. Now let's say, yeah, the picture one, and we're going to fill in the blanks. 今天是 Today is 今天是 Okay, January 1st. Good. That is 1月 right? 今天是1月1号 Yeah, 1月1号 Yeah, if you want to write pin, you can write pin. If you want to write character, it's even easier, much easier. Yeah, this is character. Okay, and 星期几 it's quite blurry here. Cannot see clearly. Suppose it is Monday. Okay. Yeah, let's see. 星期一. Okay. Easy peasy. Okay, now second picture. Okay, May 18. How do we say? 今天. Okay, 5. Yeah. 5. That is 5, right? 今天5. And then 5月18号 yeah 18 I think you know how to write it, right? 今天5月18号 if you need to write the character, yeah, you can write yeah like this, yeah. 今天5月 and then write character 18今天5月18号 Okay, now let's say, 22 is here. Okay, we can easily find the day, which is Wednesday. So 22号是星期三 And now let's say 23号是星期四 Oh, okay. This question. 明天我去哪儿看什么 Okay, we just talk about it, right? Yeah, somewhere that I'm going to go, which is 图书馆 Yeah, so 图书馆 here. 图书馆看什么？看书 right? 看书。明天我去图书馆看书。Okay, here 图书馆。明天我去图书馆看书。Or you can also say 学校 yeah, school. Or 大学 yeah, university. Yeah. So it can be yeah, a reasonable place that you can read a book. Let's move on to this part. It's about tone pairs. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's about second tone plus the first, second, third, and the fourth tone. Okay, let's say the first one, first word, that is 时间 rising tone and first tone. So let's read together. 时间 yeah, 时间 which means time. 银行 rising tone yeah, 银行 this is 银行 Okay, next one 词典 yeah, dictionary 蓝色 up down 蓝色 Okay, blue color yeah, that's a literal meaning. Yeah, so in Chinese, when you want to say different colors, you need to say this word 色 yeah, which means color. For example, 白色 white color, 红色 red color, 紫色 purple color, and what is this color? My favorite color, 粉色 yeah, pink color. What is your favorite color? 你最喜欢什么颜色 Let me know. Okay, now let's read these tone pairs. Pay attention to the collocation of tones. Okay, what is collocation? Okay, because these are tone pairs, rising tone plus different tones. So we need to read them correctly. So for the first one, 国家昨天明天年轻楼房篮球明年长城苹果啤酒牛奶 游泳，游泳。环境，环境。寒假，寒假。牛肉，牛肉。游戏，游戏。Great. Okay. For this part, I think you can, see the characters of this type, single component character, which is 独体字.独体字, which means itself, this character itself doesn't have a complicated structure. Yeah, very simple, very independent, this kind of character. For example, let's say this character 四. This is the original form, and then we change like this way, and then like this, and this is the current form we're using. And for different strokes, you can see, first we need to write like this way. Shu, and then 红折钩. Okay, and then 撇竖折, and then 红, to close the door. So you know this character, which means 4. 四. Okay, this character. Okay, this is 五. You can say the evolution of this 五. Okay, how about we write together? Okay, 一, 二, 三, 四.五. Okay, this one, 书. Oh, it's quite complicated, right? Yeah, because in old days for books, we need to put put the brush and dip into the ink and then write with it. So it's look like the whole process of doing it. Okay, that is 书. Okay, you write, you dip in the ink, and then you write. First you grab a brush. I'm going to show brush next time to you. And then, I changed to this. Now, people getting used to the simplified form, which is much easier. Okay, let's write 书 together. 横折. Okay, it's hard for me to write on the screen. Okay, 横折钩. Actually, here is a go, and then 竖, and then a dot, 点. Okay, so these characters are the single component characters, and here we can say this character, 你, you know this character, right? You can see it has left part and right part. It's different, right? And also 好, left part and right part. And also more complicated, it has 3 parts. So left, middle, and also right, 3 parts, like this one, 谢谢. And also 树, Yeah, 树 tree. Also left, middle, and right part, 3 parts. Okay, yeah, let's say other characters. Okay, if there's 3 dots, here you can see 3 dots. Generally, okay, if you say a character with 3 dots, you know this character is usually related to water. Okay, Han. Okay, we're learning. Yeah, Hanyu. So what does it mean? Actually, Han refers to Han people. Yeah, and Han refers to the river. Yeah, so we're Han people. We live um, near the water, the river. Yeah, that is Han people originally from. So say this character. Yeah. So the river, yeah, Yellow River, also some other rivers, which is important for our life. So when you live near the river, you can do a lot of things. You can have water, you can grow a lot of plants, you can have food. So water is important for Chinese people. And also this character, Mei, yeah. Actually, why this character relates to water? Yeah, it's like someone, yeah, using hand to get something from water, but eventually got nothing. So that is this character's meaning. Okay, male, yeah, don't have, not have. Okay, this radical, that is 言字旁. Yeah, radical 言 is usually related to language and speech. Yeah, so for example, 语, yeah. Okay, this character 汉 and 语 together, Chinese language, Mandarin, right? Yeah. So 汉语, yeah, Chinese people's language. If we say 英语, English language, 法语, French language, 德语, German language. And another word, 谁, yeah, it's also, yeah, radical with 言, relate to, we know 言 relate to language and speech. Yeah, and here 谁 means whom. Yeah, how to understand this character? Okay, so when we talk about 谁, this is somebody who should talk, right? Yeah, I think you can understand right now. Okay, now let's do the pair work. Yeah, answer questions. For example, yeah, actually we did it already. Let's do one more time. 今天是几月几号？ Okay, 今天是4月25号。今天星期几？今天星期六。明天是几月几号？明天是4月26号。明天星期几？明天星期天。明天你做什么？ Tomorrow you do what? 明天我去公园野餐 Go to park to have picnic. 明天我去图书馆看书 Tomorrow I go to library, read a book. Okay, great. Yeah, that's all for today's lesson. For next class, we're going to have this lesson. I like some tea, which is quite important if you want to order something, right? 我想 or 我要 yeah, I would like, I want, yeah, which is like a survival Chinese if you want to, yeah, order. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions and if you want to learn something specific, please leave a comment, let me know. And I offer the one-on-one class if you want to learn Mandarin at your own pace and learn some tailor-made content. Yeah, please contact me. Yeah, we can schedule a class. OK，谢谢，再见。